Nickel cadmium (NiCd) batteries are a type of rechargeable battery that uses a nickel oxide hydroxide cathode, a metallic cadmium anode, and an alkaline electrolyte. Here's some information about nickel cadmium batteries. Advantages of NiCd batteries. 1. High cycle life. NiCd batteries can be charged and discharged hundreds or even thousands of times before experiencing a significant loss in capacity. 2. Good performance in extreme temperatures. They can operate efficiently in a wide temperature range, making them suitable for both hot and cold environments. 3. Robust and durable. NiCd batteries are relatively resistant to mechanical stress and can withstand rough handling and vibrations. 4. Fast charging. NiCd batteries can be charged at a higher rate compared to other rechargeable battery chemistries. Disadvantages of NiCd batteries. 1. Memory effect. If NiCd batteries are not fully discharged before recharging, they may develop a memory effect. 1. This effect reduces the available capacity and can lead to inaccurate battery level readings. 2. Cadmium toxicity. Cadmium is a toxic heavy metal, and proper handling and disposal of NiCd batteries are necessary to prevent environmental pollution. 3. Lower energy density. NiCd batteries have a lower energy density compared to some other rechargeable battery types like lithium-ion, meaning they store less energy per unit weight. Charging and maintenance. 1. Charge method. NiCd batteries can be charged using constant current charging, typically at a rate of C10 to C5, where C represents the battery's capacity in ampere hours. 1. Overcharging should be avoided to prevent cell damage and excessive heat generation. 2. Ventilation. Ensure proper ventilation during charging as NiCd batteries release hydrogen gas, which can be potentially hazardous if accumulated in a confined space. 3. Memory effect mitigation. To prevent or minimize the memory effect, it is recommended to periodically discharge NiCd batteries fully before recharging them. 4. Maintenance. NiCd batteries are relatively easy to maintain. 4. Regularly inspect the battery terminals for corrosion and clean them if necessary. 4. It's also important to store NiCd batteries in a cool, dry place when not in use. Environmental considerations. 1. Recycling. Due to the toxicity of cadmium, it is crucial to recycle NiCd batteries properly. 1. Many jurisdictions have regulations in place for their safe disposal and recycling to minimize environmental impact. It's worth noting that the popularity of NiCd batteries has decreased in recent years due to the development of newer battery chemistries such as lithium-ion that offer higher energy density and fewer environmental concerns.